It's actually very easy to score exemption in CA final law paper provided you are having a correct guidance and you're using a correct book. Hey, hi everyone, this is CA Ravi Agarwal, and through this video I want to give you my CA final law compiler 3.0. Yes, so wait is over. So through this video I'm launching my compiler 3.0, and what this book contains, it has all your ICI Q&A at one single place, divided into chapter wise, attempt wise, and all your study material questions, all revision test papers, all mock test papers, all past papers, everything at one single place. And yes, I have already given you all ICI MCQ one-stop solution. So if you can refer these two books, okay, in your exam, what do you get? You get a question paper where all the questions, descriptive questions, all MCQs and all are tested. So if you can refer these two books, all your query, I mean, you will be able to solve 100 on 100 in your ICI exams, and your 60 plus, 70 plus, 80 plus, 85 plus is nowhere gone. Okay, so this is all that you have to do to score a very good marks in your exam. Okay guys, so this is all, and yes, I have already launched Audit Compiler 3.0 in my last video. Audit MCQ one-stop solution also I have given you, and in my coming videos I will be gifting you, my next video will be on SCMP Compiler 3.0, then Direct Text Compiler I will be launching, and then FR and SFM Compiler and IDT Compiler also. Alright guys, and anything else, any other resources that you need, please comment me in the comment box that sir, please make this resources also, it will be helpful for us. So we will be definitely making. And in case you need ABC analysis for all the subjects of your CA final, intermediate, IPCC and foundation, do let me know in the comment box. So guys, after the launch of Law Compiler 3.0, I will be expecting lots and lots of exemption in this paper. Okay, so what people generally do in any of the subjects, including law, is that I find that they first of all find any good summary book. For that, I am launching Lawpedia very soon. I mean, next week I will be launching my Lawpedia, just like Auditpedia, the most demanded book in CA final audit. The Lawpedia will also be a super book in just 200 pages, 200 to max 250 pages. I have covered everything of CA final law. So it's a very good summarized book for CA final law. We'll be launching it soon. So, but why I find people, they just I don't want to name any book, but what they do, they get a fat book of all the provisions, and they just first of all, they try to understand that they do it chapter wise, and the time never comes when you guys solve questions. This is the problem. Why you are not able to score very good marks in any of the subject, including law, is you guys are just stuck in that provision books where you read provisions one time and second time, but the content, the volume is so much that you do not get the time to come back and solve the questions. Okay, so even though I am launching my best book, Lawpedia, for CA final and CA intermediate students, I will request you that in case if you don't have time, see, the Lawpedia which I'll be launching is a very summarized book in just 200 approx pages. I've covered everything, so you can refer it. But I'll suggest that rather than referring that big fat book, the bulky book, and the time never comes for you to solve the questions, you can directly jump to my compiler. Okay, and one more thing I have added for CA final and intermediate IPCC students is that, like, you will be solving my compiler 3.0 now. Okay, and you will be thinking that, sir, what will I do just 1.5 day before exam? For that you need to solve my BOM. In just 70 pages I have made a very good compilation of almost all important questions, where in just 2-3 lines you will get the question and 2-3 lines you will get the answer. Okay, so in just 70 pages you can cover almost all the question answers just before exam. Lots of students have scored exceptionally good marks just because of my BOM. Lots of people have only studied the BOM book, right? Law BOM by CA Ravi Agarwal, Audit BOM by CA Ravi Agarwal, and scored very good marks. Correct. So if you are watching this video, I will say immediately get this book, Law Compiler 3.0, and get it printed and start covering everything. Rather than referring all the provisions books and all, you can directly cover the question bank. And if say you are doing any chapter, director chapter, or any of the chapter, right, and rather than referring to the provision, if you can just look over all the questions, so indirectly your all the provisions will be covered. So if you're having less time, or even if you're doing it for the first time, you can directly do all the questions. If you can just do the questions, all your provisions will be indirectly covered. So the message is very clear. I want to say that directly jump into the questions and see the difference. Okay, because in exams, questions comes, and what you guys are doing it for the first time, or whenever you are doing provision, you say that, sir, how can I directly jump into the questions? First I need to learn the provision. Come on, this is not an exam going on where only questions are available. No, here you also have questions together with the answers. So you once you see the question, you try to calculate ki, this is the question, and what should be the answer, you predict. And if you don't know the answer, let me inform you, answers are also available. Okay, so you will be like, this was the question and it should be expected answer, and chalo, this is the answer. Now I totally understand. So in this way, if you can cover all the question answers, so automatically all the provisions in the reverse way will be in your head. So in this way, you can cover all the chapters and you can prepare very well for your exam. And why I'm telling you to use this Law Compiler 3.0 is because it covers everything, all the ICI resources, everything at one single place, and divided into chapter wise, attempt wise also we've made it. As in, when you open a particular chapter, you'll find all the divisions are made. This question belong to this RTP or past papers or your study material or everything. We've made it that, and it also looks very good. It's in colored form, so even if you're studying in your mobile, cell phone, laptop, you'll be like, today only I will finish the entire book and sleep. It is giving you that kind of feel. Okay, so I expect you that as and when you get this, once just check this out, and it will definitely make your subject very easy, interesting. You will feel like studying it. Okay, so as and when you see this video, I want you that it's not possible to finish it in a day, that also I know, but I want you to, as soon as possible, finish this 100 marks paper, CA Panel Law. And yeah, also comment me in the comment box, sir, I have taken this challenge, and as soon as possible I will finish this Law Compiler 3.0. And also comment me in the comment box that if you need anything else, I will be surely making it for you. All the best. And yes, if you are liking this effort of mine, that I have taken initiative to make a compiler book for all CA Final, Intermediate and Foundation students, do share this video to all your friends, so that if it is helping you guys, it will definitely help them. And thank you so much for the the love, and that you have you have WhatsApp me that, sir, we all are using your audit and law MCQ books and law compiler that I have made. Guys, it's a promise. I will be launching all subject compilers immediately as soon as possible to support you free of cost. All the best.